Hello again to all of my lovely subscribers. It is your girl, Antoinette. Here I is. So, I went and did my first makeup review. I hope y'all liked it. Did you? Well, that's cool, because I'm back again to do this shit all over again. Can I say shit? I don't know if I can, but if I can't, oh well, here we go. I had somebody that left me a comment last week and said, hey, can you do a product review on the Watch Me Blush palette? If some of y'all don't know, the Watch Me Blush palette is a part of the Crayon Case cosmetic line. Crayon Case cosmetic line is a little bit near and dear to my heart because my homegirl actually started it. And I know everybody's like, that's my friend in my head from the internet, but a lot of you guys remember my Vines, some of my earlier Instagram videos, and Supa. Well, I don't know, is she still going by Supa? She is like professional, top-notch, to the top ass bitch right now. She is HBIC in charge. Ray Nail, I know her as Supa. I don't know what the hell y'all know her as, but Supa actually started a cosmetic line a while back. Not even a while back. It's probably like a year and a half ago, I want to say, and the success of it is insane. It's called the Crayon Case. The majority of their products are based after looking like school supply. I'm a fan, and just because I know her does not mean that I expect anything for free. This product review is solely because I want to bring more business. That's my homegirl. I want to see her shine. I want to see her do better and bigger things than half of these makeup lines out here because she actually cares. She actually has a dialogue with the people that are buying her products. And I'm just always rooting for the underdog and the little guy. The Watch Me Blush palette is really an actual blush palette, but you can use it as an eyeshadow palette. So here it is. It has 10 different colors on the inside of it. They range from mattes, and then they have like 3 shimmery shades in it. I know it looks a hot mess, y'all. I've been having it since it came out. When the Watch Me Blush palette dropped, I was on the site because I just like to show my support. It does look a little bit Supa, listen. Don't do me. I know it looks a hot mess right now. Don't do me. I do use this palette every single day. I do use 2 colors on here every single day for just my cheek area, and sometimes I'll go in with the darker colors right here, this hot chocolate, and I'll do a little bit of contouring around my cheek area and my jawline. You can use this palette for not only highlighting and blushes, but you can also use it for eyeshadows. That is what I have on today. I hope y'all like my tutorial. I apologize in advance for being so ADHD, but you're gonna you're gonna get to know that that is just me, okay? Okay, so I've already primed and prepped my eyebrows and my eyelids. From what I understand, the Crayon Case has an eyeshadow primer. I don't have it, but I plan on getting it. For our first little shebang, we're gonna go in with Cobbler. This one right here, you see it, y'all? It's that one. It's Cobbler. It's like a little taupe color, but it's just to start it off real quick. We're gonna go right in with it, real nice and sweet. It's kind of brown sugar looking. And I'm gonna put that right on here. Pack it on the brush. Pack your bags and get the hell up out my house. Pack it on there right there. Pack it on there right there. Take my little brush, just like this. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. I'm gonna go pretty high with it because this is just my base color. So it's not a huge, crazy thing. Listen, I didn't want to pin my wig back because you see sis has a wig on today, okay? But sis got things to do after this, so the wig had to be on my head. So y'all gonna see me doing a lot of this and a lot of hair flips like I'm Tina Turner. I ain't eating the cake, Ike. But yeah, they say this is my Beyonce wig. Y'all know how I feel about that. And when me and Jay had blue ivy, my world was complete. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. And they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. Okay, back to this though. So then, this is when we're gonna get a little bit difficult. So I'm gonna go right in around my eye ridge with hot cocoa. It's this chocolatey looking one right here. Hot cocoa. I know that my palette looks a little bit of a mess. That should just be a good sign because this is not a new palette, okay? I've been digging in this for a while. And go right along the crease with it. Real light. Remember, darker colors go in light. And then you build. Because you don't want to go around looking like a raccoon by the face. So pack and blend. And pack and blend. And pack and blend. And pack and blend. We're blending hot cocoa out into cobbler. And this is making me hungry because y'all know I'm a fatty. Cobbler. Hot cocoa. I'm fat. So don't make me close one more door. I don't want to hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. I'm sorry. I just saw Whitney today, y'all. Rest in peace, mother. Rest in peace. Ooh. Bitch, do y'all see this already? Do y'all see this already, bitch? It's giving me a little exotical look. And next we're gonna go in with cranberry right here. It's kind of like a reddish, pinkish, Kool-Aid flavored. Yeah, we're gonna go with that, Kool-Aid. It's kind of, it looked like red Kool-Aid all across the eyelid. Oh, hold on, bitch. Like a tribal princess right now. Girl, I got my Watch Me Blush palette with my Beyonce wig on. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. Y'all really got me just in my Beyonce Whitney Houston bag today. Girl, y'all don't want me to bust out with the Mariah. Y'all know that's my mom. When a hero comes along to give you strength to carry on. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear it. And remember the golden rule. Pack and blend. I just blend cranberry into that hot cocoa now. Ooh, it's so warm. I like it a lot. Blending all of that in there. My next step is to take a concealer and we're gonna kind of do it towards the inner corners of our eyes. Like, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? It already looks so pretty. Girl, you gonna see, girl, and you gonna love it. Okay, all right. Just gonna put this on the inner corners of our eyelids. I don't know where I'll be getting these damn accents from, but I need to grow up. If you can help me grow up, call 1-800-KISS-MY-BUTT. No, for real. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't want to hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. I don't know who told me to go see that movie today, but sis, I am not letting up. How will I know if he really loves me? How will I know heartbeats? I don't know the words. And you won't judge me for that. So I got my inner eyelids the way that I want them to look. So the good thing about the crayon case and what I love about their choices of colors is that they are always going to include some golds up in there. And I need golds, okay? Because all of this caramel complected goodness right here, I need golds. I need golds. We're going to go in with Sweet Tea. It's not necessarily a gold, but it's kind of a bronzish color. It's like a bronzish, kind of like brownsy, glittery. I like it. It go well with my skin, okay? Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put Sweet Tea on the inner parts of our eyelids. What I'm noticing is that the matte colors, the cobbler, the tangerine, the cranberry, berries, hot cocoa, those are really pigmented. The kind of glittery, shimmery colors, you kind of gotta pack on there a little bit more, but I still like the way they look. Okay. So now that I packed it on the inner corners of my eyelids, I'm gonna go back in with cranberry and kind of blend everything out real good. Cranberry, hot cocoa, cobbler, just kind of blend it all out, make it as smooth as possible so that you don't see any lines of demarcation. That stuff that we don't like, girl, because we like everything smooth and blends it out like our men. That didn't even make no damn sense. Let me sit this ass on ya. So I'm not quite done with the eye makeup, but we're gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and then do the rest of my face. And then I'm gonna give you guys the finished product when I'm done. Okay? We're just gonna fast forward that because you know what? You already know how to do all that. You are makeup pros. Am I the only one when you put on like all of your like highlighting and contouring, you're just like, I'm sing benya, mama bisi, mama. I look like I'm going to fucking war. This is my war paint. I gotta go into the world. So I got the highlight and contour because I'm going to war. I am an African warrior princess. Okay, I hope nobody gets offended by that. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not. It's Wakanda. Wakanda forever. What did they? It was like this? Like, I don't know. Child. Give you those drag queen cheekbones that I like. We're gonna take our makeup cocaine. I call this makeup cocaine because everybody uses it. And they use a lot of it. And it's a powdery substance. But I'm pretty sure that you don't want to put this in your nose. I'm pretty sure you shouldn't put anything in your nose. But I mean, if you do, your prerogative. I'm baking cookies. I usually like to like go brush my teeth while I'm baking, if that makes any sense. Because it's long enough for this to set in your face. Y'all just don't know. I'm gonna do some big curls tomorrow on this, and I'm really gonna be Beyonce. Sweet dreams are a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up and then I went to my bed. I don't know the words to that song either. Please don't come up in my comments talking all that shit. I think it's time to take it off. This is where I go in again with the Watch Me Blush palette. I really gotta stop singing. Like, I'm in a singing mood. It's like a fucking Broadway musical in my house 24/7. I gotta chill. And I'm gonna use tangerine, a mixture of tangerine and strawberry. Tangerine and strawberry, the two fruits. And I use them for my cheeks. Because I'm not trying to get 80s cheek. I know I've been singing Whitney Houston this whole time, but we not trying to do the 1980s like super duper to our earlobes blush. That's a little much. Give you some color and some life to your cheeks. The next step is I'm gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner, y'all. The Crayon case also has eyeliners, which I don't have. You cannot do a winged eyeliner with every single eyeshadow, but this one, I'm gonna do it today. That is so sexual and sensual. Tattoo your name across my heart, so it will remain. Ooh. Ooh. Come to me, daddy. Come to me, daddy. Come to me, daddy. Come to me, daddy. So I'm going to take my little brush like this, my little blending brush, and I'm going to slightly take a little bit of cranberry. A little bit of cranberry. And I'm going to get right up in here, right here. Then I'm going to take a little bit of chocolate, outer corners, right underneath the wing. That's my favorite type of man, sis. A chocolate man. What a beautiful chocolate man. And then for my cheeks a little bit, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Glow Cane highlighter from the Crayon case. I love it. It is a loose powder, y'all. So it does kind of do like this like flyaway thingy. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's flying away a little bit. That does kind of make it just a little bit difficult to work with, but a little bit of this does go a super duper long way. So you got to be careful. I really just like grab that much and I kind of boop, 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 boop. And I kind of put it on my cheeks. Again, a little bit goes a long way. Yes, girl, one time for the Glow Cane, honey. Can you see? Girl. And then I kind of do a little dibbly dabbly right on my top lip. A little bit, y'all. This stuff is really like, it's really Glow Cane. Like, I'll go right here with it. I'll go right there with it. And then I'll put a little bit down my nose like this. Put a little bit down my nose like that. And I'll kind of brush off the excess. And there you have it.